The craniofacial morphology of patients with celiac reveals an altered pattern of craniofacial growth. So you can sit in a room and you can say gluten sensitive, gluten sensitive, gluten sensitive, gluten sensitive. You can just look around the room and you can see it. A large forehead is a sign easily evident, usually with very simple measurements. It's evident visually or with very simple measurements. You don't need some fancy program, computer analysis to do it. This sign, along with the presence of other clinical signs and symptoms, should alert a patient or a physician to look for celiac disease. This alteration is a clinical sign that should be included among the extraintestinal manifestations. It has a frequency comparable to other signs and symptoms such as anemia and short stature, and is a better predictor than other signs such as recurrent aphthous stomatitis, recurrent abortions, and dental enamel hypoplasia.